So there it is. That's my newest leaf for the update for my Monstera. That's the baby one. Not the baby one, but this was the cutting that I originally cut everything off of. This is the piece that I thought was gonna grow, but it actually never did. But that's okay because all of this stuff on the side grew. I have 1, 2, 3 leaves popped out before I got my split leaf. This one just opened last week, I think. Maybe 2 weeks ago already. But this is 3 months later. 3 months of growth after I cut everything off of this one. And what I cut off of this was all of this. And there's, oops, sorry. There's the newest leaf of this one. And you can see on this baby one, that one's like the size of my hand. And then this one is like even bigger. So I really like the way that they're looking, except this one I accidentally smashed with the curtain. And so I think I'll probably just cut that off because they grow really well. And I think there's, I don't know, I think they're thirsty. You can see that they're kind of like drooping right here. But they're doing well, more or less. I'm surprised because this one, I think the leaves are bigger than the root system because the whole entire root system was in this plant. This was the entire root system for these leaves. These are the cuttings. But they are growing. And this is 3 months later of growth. If you remember from my first video, which I will have linked or some kind of reminder card here, I had my cuttings and then I cut even more. So that's the leaf that I cut off there. And there's one in there too that I cut off. So a lot of this has just grown within 3 months. 3 months of chopping this plant down. This one right here. Okay, so I think this was the original leaf that I left on there. And so it's looking like it could use a better root system. So I'll probably cut that off, but that one gave off all of this. And let me see if I can follow this up for you. It gave, this is the new one right here. And if you look closely, it's fatter right here. So that is going to be a new, that's new growth right there, right here. So that is this cutting. I had it just with this one. And so that one, I accidentally bent it. Here I accidentally put the curtain on it and it flopped it over. But you can see that it's got nice growth. And then I have, oh, sorry about that. Then I have this one here. And this one put off this new growth as well. I'm not sure which one was the original one, but this one is also putting off new, where is that sorry, okay, here's the newest growth, or I'm not sure. Actually, that looks like 2 in there. But that's the same one, so I'm not exactly sure how that's growing. But I do know that it's growing. So that's good. And then I have this one. This one I ended up chopping off again right here because the leaf just looked really bad. But then it put out this new growth here. And they're just small, so it's kind of like a little baby plant just kind of like starting over, but with a good root system. And see this one. Yeah, this one here I ended up chopping off here, and so it put out this same thing, kind of like just a baby plant. So that's the update for that plant. It's pretty big. Oops, I'm sorry about the lighting and the camera here. I have this on top of my dresser trying to get as much sun as possible. But that is what that plant looks like. It's not looking its best. The days are getting shorter and I've got to order a plant light. I ordered a plant light, but I have bulbs, but I don't have anywhere to put the lights in. But anyway, so I'll figure that out later on. And then this is the original plant that I had. If you remember, I almost discarded this actually. Some potpourri. But I was excited because I originally saw this little piece of growth and this little piece of growth, which I think I pointed out. I think I had that footage towards the end of the video. So I thought those were going to grow. Those haven't grown. But what did grow is all of this on the side. And you can see that it's given 1, 2, 3 new leaves. So that's the first one. Here's the second one. And the third one is beautiful. This one just came out. You can see it still, it looks light green. It hasn't gotten its color yet. And it's just really, really pretty. And also, if you look on the side, it's fatter here. Let me see a better angle. Where did you go? Is that it? Nope. Right here. So that's new growth right there. That's going to be a new leaf when it starts, another chicken? Sure. Whoops, the leaves getting in the way. Sorry. Yeah, so if you look, if I could get this a better view here. So this part is the old sheath, I guess, and this part is the new growth coming in right there. So, but this leaf itself is pretty new, but that's quite a bit of growth for just, you know, this is like 3 months, and I really am happy with the leaves splitting, and that's a pretty good leaf. That's like the size of my hand. So anyways, that's the update. I just wanted to give that to you guys, and you can see that one looks better like that. I think I am going to get rid of this leaf here, this one, just because it's just hanging on. I accidentally bent it. And then this one, it's hard because right now the sun is hitting it like pretty bright, so. But that one, they have like pretty leaves. So there you have it. There's the update.